Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can use an algorithm to create a mesh similar to this one. As you can see here, we can start from a base surface, which is going to be this surface. And then we're going to use an algorithm to produce these branchings. What we can control in this tutorial is basically the UV minimum, so I can restart this simulation and clear this. Okay, one of the base of the algorithms is that we're going to pick a part of the surface. As you can see here, we can select that, and then I'm going to restart and run the simulation, which I'm going to explain. Okay, I'm going to pause the simulation here, and we have these curves, which I'm going to explain. There is going to be some factors here. So for example, if I put the height factor to 0 and run this simulation again, you can see that they are going to be distributed on the surface and not in the z direction, minus z direction. So this is going to be the base curve. If I increase the height factor, or if I increase the branching, you can see that they're going to be branched into 7 connections and then just come down to the location of the column. At the end, we can bake that in Rhino. You can see that we have the mesh, and we can also use the quad remesh command to convert that into a smooth quad mesh. And you can see that it's going to be really smooth, and we have better distribution of the quad mesh faces. Okay, let's take a look at the algorithm and how you can make this in Grasshopper.